This presentation, The Escape from Misery, maps a diagnostic journey from our core belief in separation to the freedom of a holy relationship. We will examine how misery is constructed in the mind and how a shift in perception can systematically lead us from error through healing to lasting peace. Here we see the mechanics of misery. It begins with separation. The mind feels isolated and fragmented. That breeds a belief in lack, experienced as emptiness and guilt. To avoid this guilt, we project it onto others, which only reinforces guilt and fear. This unconscious ego cycle shapes how we perceive everything. Special relationships offer a false escape. One person plays the host, trying to buy peace by giving guilt away. The other becomes the target, pressured to pay through sacrifice. Both are trapped in mutual demands. When connection is built on guilt and sacrifice, no one truly wins, and genuine peace remains out of reach. Shadow figures are mental constructs made entirely of past reactions. They obscure the present, exist only in one mind, and act as barriers to real communication. We do not meet people as they are. We meet them through fragments of our own past pain. Recognizing this distortion is a key step toward accurate perception. The holy instant interrupts the ego's use of time. Instead of reliving a guilty past or fearing future punishment, the mind enters a continuous present. In this interval, judgment is suspended, and time seems to collapse. This shift breaks the chain of darkness and releases us from the inner need to condemn. Perception operates in two modes. In projection, we disown what we dislike in ourselves and see it outside, which destroys peace. In extension, we share what we value, especially love, and thereby strengthen our awareness of it. Moving from projection to extension is a practical discipline for transforming relationships. The holy relationship has a clear architecture. It rests on a shared goal, a space of healing where tired minds can rest. It is guided by true perception, seeing the sinless spirit in the present. Its joint function is to extend limitless care. Lived consistently, this becomes our definitive escape from misery. We contrast two models of connection. The special relationship is founded on guilt and lack, sees others as shadow figures, and seeks sacrifice and control, resulting in conflict. The holy relationship rests on wholeness, sees the sinless spirit now, aims at release and healing, uses the holy instant, and yields perfect peace. Undoing differences unfolds in three movements. First, we place others within a circle of atonement rather than blame. Second, we relinquish judgment, realizing our grievances are mental constructs. Third, we restore wholeness by bringing innocence to light. In practice, this means consciously releasing guilt in every interaction. The ladder to heaven describes a developmental path. We begin in dreams of fear, ruled by separation and shadow figures. Through forgiveness, the holy instant, and holy relationships, we enter happy dreams, a gentler, healed perception. From there, awakening to knowledge becomes natural as the mind returns to a changeless present. The final vision of peace arises when a situation is given wholly to truth. Then conflict, guilt, and the past lose their reality for us. In organizational and personal contexts, this means refusing to stand outside in judgment. Instead, we actively teach peace and choose to stand together on shared, holy ground.